morning from the OSL trading desk here in Singapore. As we've come out of this weekend with indeed a bit of pressure in the market, especially on the majors, BTC and ETH, we're starting to see a bit of a rebound here over the last, call it 48 hours, about 36 to 48 hours. We had a very weak session on Saturday, which actually wound up drawing flat on the day, with Sunday positive move again, sort of closing where it opened. But now Monday, we're starting to see a bit of bullishness again. Now, if we start to look at the chart here, we had previously noted that a 44K mark was going to be where we were seeking some support and resistance. Indeed, it did prove to give us that support mark back earlier this month. And now we're sort of topping out right around those same levels. If indeed we can see a push here above, I do expect us to start to gravitate towards that 47K mark. We have a gap to fill there on the red candle down, and indeed volume starting to pick up. Funding rates being where they were last week, we're still seeing a bit of bullishness there as well. If we rotate into ETH here, again, we're seeing a similar chart play out. I think most of us will see that this plays out more so than not, where we indeed see these support and resistance levels sort of sit here and carry through. Now, again, we have the weekend activity. We have sort of the muted volume perspective of the market. And as we come into the beginning of the week here, we're expecting a volume injection. If we look down here on the RSI, on ETH, we're still not out of the woods. We're still trending down. We are not necessarily in a positive relationship to the pricing that we're seeing in the market. But indeed, we are starting to come off that bottom again. Again, these type of indicators can often be range bound as well. So we do need to see some consistency, and we need to see this pick up. If we really look at the chart again here, where we're expecting prices to go, I think everyone's sort of eyeing similar levels here. We're right up against that top around the 3150 to 3200 mark, which indeed we started to see a little bit of a wick come out earlier this morning. I believe we're gonna sit here in a little bit of a consolidated range throughout the day. If indeed we get again a volume injection, we expect to see a further increase similar to Bitcoin. Fill that gap that we previously saw, which is a little bit overextended selling due to the news. And we will see a 34K price target coming out if we can sustain this bullishness. That's it for today, and have a great trading day.